Hey man, ma, so I get my bling bling on. Oh, this one is loose because I've been smoking. Yeah. I had contact with extraterrestrial beings, my brother. When you're abducted by beings, you go to 3 encounters. Close encounters of the first kind, close encounters of the second kind, and close encounters of the third kind. You see, I had all 3. This is Bling Bling's crackhead. By the smell of it, you can tell if it's good crack or bad crack. Bling Bling expertise in crack smoking. Ooh, crack. Bling Bling's crack pipe hidden inside of his collar. Only the Bling Bling. This is Bling Bling's crack pipe. Before they hit crack, during the hit crack. What's this? International bad boys and naughty hoes. What's this? International bad boys and naughty hoes.
Put it down, bro. Put it down! 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 What did I tell you? Down! Down! Put your hands behind your back. You got any guns on you?
No, papi. No, papi. No,
I ain't your papi. Put your head down.
no, papi.
What do you got? Just that?
Yes, papi.
Just marijuana?
Yes.
Keep your hands here. You got no knife on you?
No, papi, nothing.
You sure?
Yes, papi.
I ain't your papi.
Officer, yes, officer.
You hear me?
Yes. I'm waiting.
Where you coming from?
I come from home.
Turn around. Where's home?
You want to get right there, papi.
You were in the projects just now. What are you talking about home? Don't lie to me. Where did you just come from?
Break the burger.
From the projects?
Yes.
Well, what are you doing?
I was smoking the tobacco.
The tobacco?
Yes,
You
officer.
sure?
Yes, officer, I'm sure. You want to go home, papi?
Well, are you calling Poppy again?
But officer, Mr. Damiano.
Shit, that's hell
Again, you
shit.
call me that. Don't call me Poppy again.
All right, officer. All right, officer.
Some stuff, and I seen you guys. I got nervous. I had a monster drink. I don't know if that does it.
Hey, what's buzzing, cousin?
She's so tough and so smart, Stanley. Like I said, put it in my car.
No.
It will get broke. Put it in my car. Can I get the ticket,
Thank you,
please?
sir. Have
Like
a
I
good
said,
day.
put it in my car, Stanley.
you can give me the
Roberts. Thank you.
Okay.
Badass.
All right. You want to use your pen? Okay, sir. So by signing it, sir, not admission of guilt, it's just promising you're going to take care of the citation. Okay. Like I said, hold on. Leave it there. Leave it there.
People behaving badly on Channel 4.
What about people overeating on Channel 4? Badass. How about that?
Thank you, sir.
Build up your speed, enter, and safe. Drive safe, sir.
1-800 get them, chubby butt.
Have a good day.
You too, badass.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
I can
Fat ass,
afford
all
it.
you can afford is food with your fat, lazy ass. That's why you out here videotaping. You ain't even, they got your fat, lazy, non-relevant, non-factor ass out here filming highway patrol shit. That tells you how much you're worth.
Have a good day, sir.
Bye, fat nigga.
Bye-bye.
I've been good to you, right? I give you money, I buy you a car, I pay for your school, I pay shit up, I drink you down, and then I give your family money. You know what I'm talking about, I give your family money. Bitch, you know damn well what I'm talking about when I say give your family money. And you're probably getting text messages from that fool right now on that
Hey,
stupid
don't
phone
worry,
while I'm
sweetie. It's just
talking to you.
Orlando.
Give me this
Come on,
damn
baby.
phone.
Shit.
Oh, I'm crazy.
Yeah, you're fucking
Is that
crazy.
right?
You know what?
Is that right?
I'm
Is that
fucking
right?
not.
You know what? You damn right or so.
What the fuck you doing, man?
I've been turned by the owner of the store.
You know what?
I've been turned by the owner of the store.
You've been traded by the owner of the store.
Just walk on. Don't worry about it. And I know the owner, and trust me. If he is to come back towards you, you are to be executed. You and everybody else. Hey, just walk on.
He walking?
No,
Okay.
you walk.
Me?
You.
I'll be executed?
Yeah. It's once in a lifetime. You'll never see this again. But the owner of the store,
Okay.
you are to.
Bro, let me tell you something. You cannot drink beer
right here.
Just make the call.
I'm the owner.
Go ask in the office before you do say anything else. Go ask.
Man, come on, let's go, man. Let's go. Come on, man, let's go. I work here. I'm lawful prevention. Either you gonna go to jail or you gonna get out.
They didn't tell you.
Let's go, man.
They did not tell you.
Let's go, man.
They didn't tell you.
Let's go, man.
Alright. The owner of the store treated me 1 6-pack within the store. I was able to drink 1 beer. Your whole family out to be executed.
My whole family?
Yeah.
Damn.
No, not mine.
Yours or mine?
No, not.
Okay, man. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Just you.
It's me.
You wouldn't.
Alright.
Not understand.
Okay.
Language. Yeah. You are fighting for a 6-pack of beer.
No, you fighting.
You no.
And you.
Nevertheless.
And you that low.
Nevertheless, knowing who the.
Hey, what's up, ketchup mustard? Yeah, what's up, Tony Weber? Boss man. I own the satellite. I own Facebook. I put $1 million on Italian Mafia. That's my island, Russia. I'm not joking. Why are you recording me on my own phone?
Crack kills.
This is a lawsuit
Say, get out of
right
here.
here of what
Get
is
out
for the what is for missiles and national security of the United States and blowing the cover of ketchup, mustard, and yes, of an architect company that is for international. You can face the federal pension. Now, U.S. Marshal, you have the right to remain silent and square law. Now, you just fucked up. Now, right here, my nickname
Get
is
back.
Fiend.
Get your fucking crazy ass back.
When
Look,
don't record
check
me.
this out. Go get some mayonnaise, nigga.
Bitch, you fucked up. I don't give a fuck. Go tell your army. That's my shit you're on. U.S. Marshal, you better get this shit on here. I don't give a fuck. What's up, Kelly? What's up, everybody on the internet? I run this shit. I got those.
You open your mouth. No, don't change the conversation. I don't know what you're going to do. You open your fucking mouth for a fucking reason, homie. Fuck you, homie. I'll be like, man, I ain't gonna rob your ass for what? For nothing? You ain't got shit, homie. Hard-working people? Yeah. We got cheddar, homie. We deal with money, homie. Broke ass fucking cheat on welfare. Thanks, sweetie. That's your
If you know that, know yourself, boy, and stay in your lane. You're not bad like Drake Finger. How dare you speak? Sound like you have a cock in your mouth. Fuck is your problem? Anyways, we have more artists to mention. You're not bad like Thug Mentality, Bigfoot. Eh? Big up Shell Rock. You're not bad like Bumbuckler, the MOB. Heartless G. Eh? Free the Heartless. What the Bumbuckler wrong with your Tory lanes? You sick in your mama Bigfoot or what? Hey boy. You say a bad man thing, you know, boy. About New Toronto. What the fuck you feel this is? We stay at Toronto, we don't go to New Toronto.
Hey, sweetie, you gotta
We
find
stay
out
at T-Dot, a bad man place, Batty boy. Know yourself. What your tongue ring to. We are going to string that out, Batty boy. Watch your tongue. You're no better than Belly. What are you from Black Creek again, man? Nemesis? Nemesis? I can't even pronounce the blood clot word right now because me angry. Blood clot mouth piercing. Bad man no pierce mouth, boy. The fuck you a chat about? This is Badman Chronicles. We only speak the truth. Nothing but the truth. And I don't wish to hear the truth. Ask me nothing. But the fuck wrong with all your batty boy Tory Lane. But anyhow you say you are the best that can and I'm the best that is and the best that will be. You fuck yourself, batty boy.
You fucked up, huh? You know
gotta
your
check
ass
in
is
anyway,
due.
nigga. Pussy. You got us fucked up, nigga. So much you gonna knock my big homie out, nigga. I'm catching bags for my big homie whack, nigga. You dig? And Big Soldier ain't gonna catch no flag cause I don't work too many M's, you dig? Hey, what's going on, man? Hey, they say Soldier ain't from the hood. They say Soldier ain't from the hood. That's how you know. What's happening?
I don't even know you, nigga. You walked up on me and set down your beer like, nigga, what's up? How gangster are you, cuz? How gangster are you, nigga? I'll show you how gangster I am, nigga. You can drop off your kid and run my fade.
You ain't hearing it.
Exactly. But nigga, today I got time, cuz. By telling me, take off my flag, asking how gangster I was, nigga. You lucky on that day I was acting cool, cuz. I told you I ain't got time for that, but nigga, today I got time, cuz.
It don't matter, pistol game, dude. That's your cousin right there.
But nigga, you came up on me on some funk shit, nigga. I don't make peace with niggas that come up on me on some disrespectful shit when I didn't even know you, nigga. You walked up on me and set down your beer like, nigga, what's up? How gangster are you, cuz? How gangster are you, nigga? I'll show you how gangster I am, nigga. You can drop off your kid and run my fade.
You ain't hearing it.
Exactly. Exactly, nigga. I go hard, cuz. You don't want to fuck with me.
This shit's hella sick, man.
Shut your goddamn ass up. Hell. You trust him, hell, motherfucker.
Cause I'm gonna keep it G real.
Yeah, cuz 96 block, you feel me? Man, get your scary ass out of here. That's not even a game.
And guess when you go to see one here, and guess what? It's about bitches! Cause they go wild.
You believe in that goddamn murderer? You can find my friend, brother. But when I find my motherfucker, oh, you're married, motherfucker. Go to therapy. I'm fishing shit. That's why you can't see me. House nigga.
Man,
Who created your
no,
ass?
it's talking to you. The camera was pointing right at you.
Stupid bitch.
It's gonna show you. Okay.
I'm provoking that. I'm making motherfuckers just think God more.
Because I did hear you.
You goddamn
No,
devil
I'm
worship,
gonna
you ain't got no excuse.
I am disrespectful. My first amendment right. You're supposed to protect my first amendment right? Then you swear I don't. Then you swear I don't. Okay, so what's the problem? Because you're obviously you're a public servant, so you can't. Fucking crazy. But right now, you are acting as a police officer. You got badge and a gun on. No, but right now you got badge and a gun on, so you're not a regular citizen right now, sir.
I can't see you though, bitch.
And you are. Okay, I'm sorry.
I make my ass very available.
You got a man to fuck up, nigga. Man to fuck up.
And I appreciate that.
And that's why I conduct myself every day.
And that's what a police officer is supposed to do. But your sergeant is illegally parked. Sir, if that was me, you would give me a ticket. You understand?
So you say.
So you
say. Hold on.
Okay.
You're jumping to conclusions.
And I can do that.
Until me and you have that. Where that is at?
No, but I know that. Because that's your job. And if you don't do it, you're not doing your job.
No.
You're supposed to do that.
Let me tell you something.
I'm listening.
You don't always have to be a butthole.
No.
It's also not. Listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
So you don't always have to.
I understand that.
Take everything to the fullest extent. Some things can just be given a verbal warning. Okay?
I understand that.
So
but isn't it against the law for your sergeant to park illegally?
You have a wonderful day, sir.
So you don't want to answer that, then that make you a bad cop, sir, with a big black bald head. You need to get the fuck out of here. I'm sorry?
Say what you just said.
What didn't you hear?
Say what you just
Tell me what you didn't hear.
Say what you just
Tell me what you didn't hear. Tell me what you did not hear.
What you just said.
Tell me what you didn't hear.
I thought you.
Tell me what you didn't hear. No, because we want to try something slick. So we go outside and I say it again. We go outside and I say it again. No, we go outside and I say it again. No, yeah, you need that camera, don't you? You need it, don't you? Because we could go outside and I'll gladly tell you 5 times what I just said.
You need to say it right now.
You heard what I said. Because I said it about 10 times, so you heard what I said.
You said it again.
Right? Do your job.
Disrespectful
Do your
10
job.
times, right?
I'm a disrespectful, very disrespectful guy.
You know that.
As long as you know that. Get your big ass out of here. Sorry, man. I'm sorry.
They like seriously.
Hey, shut the f up.
wrong with you? Don't be up here making all this goddamn noise in our community. I know you need help, I know you're hungry, but at the same time, chill out. You need Jesus, alright? God bless you. You need Jesus. Just leave me alone. Fuck you need Jesus.
You don't like it? Kiss my ass. You don't like it. It's my house. What's that? What's that? To me. I don't give a fuck what you think, bitch. Your thoughts ain't my thoughts.
I'm about to post this on you. World star. World star.
Everybody that comes up, you don't want to deal with anybody. Being able to walk right now back here.
Oh shit! Fuck that!
Yeah, big money, gang, nigga.
What'd you do?
At the East Side kids,
Hey, this isn't good for my business. This is bad for business.
Shit don't really mean nothing to us. Till that shit about 12 years.
Big stomp out. Big stomp out, man. Big stomp out right here.
Hey, y'all remember this poll? When he said, I know the Morris who killed your cousin. You know where they be at?
Get out of the middle of the goddamn road. You want to fuck yourself? You're about to get run over by a goddamn car.
This big, niggas ain't even doing it.
You're about to get run over.
This is crazy.
Pump his leg. Get on the back of his truck.
It's so good.
Man, you need to get off the road. You're going to get run over.
Think what's up, see? You tell me. Not the big part, though.